new Holland Mow Max H6740 disc mower, 3-point hitch. Got some problems, folks. The owner states, I don't know if something broke or something got out of time, but everything come around. You can see it's just freewheeling there. Got out of time. Blades hit. Something's broke on it. So you're not buying this in working condition. If you want to take a chance on it, put a few parts in it, do what you have to do. But again, the discs are just freewheeling. Not sure exactly what happened to it. Owner stated it got out of time. I don't know exactly what that means or how that happens, but if you want to take a chance on this guy, that's up to you. Structurally, seems to be pretty straight. Tarp's not perfect, but not bad. It's not bent. So, there it is. Help yourself on the Mow Max.